I don't have it with me. Tell Java.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Daniel here with the amazing Star Wars Mos Eisley Cantina from episode 4, A New Hope. Look at the size of this set, and I'm going to open it. Yes, you can open it. And also in a few seconds I will show the actual scene in the movie alongside this set. So you will see how amazing the details are. So the set is, as you can see here, 3,000, well, more than 3,000 pieces, 21 minifigurines. You get two speeders, and you can open it, of course. And when you open it, it becomes like this. And this is the set wide open. Before you open it, you have to remove this part at the top. It just sits for a nice finish when you close it. So once open, you have a full view of the bar with you, the bartender. You have the two sides with the tables here where people negotiate for ships. And these two pieces are detachable on the side. You can lift the domes and see here the parts that is inside. And each little alcove here has a roof that you can remove just like that. So I'm going to remove these, and I will take my side camera before I show the sequence from the movie. With the side camera, I'll just show you the details. This set comes again with 21 minifigurines, so let's have a look at this first. We will start with the two speeders. This one belongs to Greedo, as you can see here. And we have our V-35 speeder here with Ercek Galfas here as the pilot. And we have the two side buildings over here. I put a Jawa here. We can see all the details inside. And here also all the equipment on the top and on the side over here. And the other building we can open, as you can see, and the dome also can be lifted, and we can see all the details inside this building as well. Starting with the outside of the cantina, we have our two sand troopers over here, and we have our door that you can slide up and down, and the sign here says Cantina. Trust me, I am fluent in 1 million galactic dialects. And if we move sideways, here we have our dewback on the side with a little bit of water. And going on the side, we have our first tower over here. And here we have a door that you can, of course, open, and it will stay open with some pressure. Nice sticker over here. We have here some equipment outside and a second tower. From that tower, we can look at the inside with all the roofs open. And I'll just go slowly here before I show from the front of the cantina. Now doing the interior of the cantina, starting from the main entrance, we have C-3PO and R2-D2 waiting for Luke Skywalker. We have a Ponda Baba. We have a Labria here. Han Solo is waiting for now by himself in the alcove. We have Cabe. We have Moma Naden. Here we have a nice view of the bar. Look at all the details with the bar attender, Wooher. Look at that. Over here we have the band, the Bith band. We have 3 players. We have Chewbacca with his crossbow. Obi-Wan Kenobi and Luke Skywalker. They would normally be here like in the center or at the bar, but I wanted to be for them to be solid for now on the Lego platform. And we have Dr. Evazan. He was the one bowling Luke at the bar. And hidden in the corner, we have Garandon, the Imperial spy, who will give information to the Sand Troopers about Luke and Obi-Wan Kenobi. So these are the details of this set. Now let's have a look at the movie, the famous sequence in the Eisley Cantina, alongside what we have here in this set. So guys, you saw in the movie clip, this is impressive, lots of details. We are missing a few characters, of course, people sitting around the table. At some point we see two ladies smoking, they're not in here, but still, for like above 3,000 pieces, like I said, 21 minifigurines, this is an impressive set. Is it worth the money? This is not cheap. It's $350 US dollars on Lego.com. In Canada, it's $450 because of the exchange rate. So it's expensive, but I think it's worth every penny. When you look at what you get, the size of it, you get two speeders, these detachable buildings, lots of details on the two towers. The doors can be operated like I showed before, and there's also a third one I did not show here in this separate building over here. Very, very nice set, like really highly recommended. So guys, if you have any questions about this set, let me know in the comments below. I'll be happy to get back to you as soon as I can. Have a great day and see you soon. Goodbye guys.